Hi, this is NonnasHere. I'm Nonna, and today I have the unboxing of the Walmart Beauty Box for spring, and it's a good one. I got version 3, and I'm really happy with it. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what I got. But first, I have some winners to announce. Now, I did announce this winner a while ago, and she did make a comment, but she hasn't sent me her address yet. So I'm going to give her until Saturday, which will be, let's see, today is Wednesday, April 3rd. Today's Wednesday, April 2nd. So Saturday will be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3rd, 4th, 5th. April 5th at 12 o'clock noon to send me an email at nonnashere@gmail.com with her address, because I've announced this a couple times. So this is from the Allure Beauty Box unboxing, and I made up a whole bag, a big bag of goodies. So Jenna Rotella, 9036, you started to make me a comment, but you haven't sent me your address yet, so I can send this off to you. So please send me your address at nonnashere@gmail.com using Jenna Rotella 9036 by Saturday, 12 noon, so I can get this sent off to you. If I don't hear from you by then, I'm going to have to pick another winner for this nice bag of goodies giveaway. All right. Also, I'm going to announce the winner for the EyeScream Beauty Box unboxing that I did the other day. And from this box, I am giving away the beautiful palette that is called Girl with the Pearl Earring. And the palette looks just like this oil painting. It's a beautiful palette. It retails for $52. So I'm giving that away. Plus I'm giving away the loose eyeshadow palette. And it's very pretty. And I've explained during the video of the unboxing about how to use it. So I've pulled a winner for that. And the winner is Michelle Travagliato. Travagliato 1702. Michelle, I'm sorry if I just killed your last name. Michelle Travagliato 1702. So Michelle, if you would please put on this video a comment using that username saying, "Yay, I won," and then email me at nonnashere@gmail.com using that username with your address so I can get that shipped off to you. That's a beautiful palette, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, so those are the two winners that I have to announce today. One is a winner that I've announced before, and Michelle is a new winner. All right, so please, if any advertisements roll during this video, please let them roll, because those are YouTube sponsors that we get paid a small income that help pay for our giveaways that we pay with our own money, and it helps pay for the shipping, because shipping is very expensive. All right, so now back to the Walmart Beauty Box unboxing. This is the spring one. You get them 4 times a year. They cost $6.98 plus tax. And they say the box is free, you're paying for the shipping. Okay, whatever. So it comes all wrapped, in this, I call it saran wrap, but it's all wrapped. And I've opened it because we all know I have great difficulty unwrapping things. And you open it up and it looks like this. And on top is a little brochure, and it says Beauty in Bloom. That's, I guess, the theme for this spring. And then it gives you some a few of the products that you may get in your box, okay? It used to list a whole bunch of products, but now they only list a couple. And they tell what the products are and what the retail value is. So you may or may not get these products, all right? So usually I get 5 products and 1 full-size product. That's usually what happens in my boxes. So let's look and see what I got. All right, this one seems to be the one that everybody is getting this month. This is the Degree Advanced Deodorant. It's a dry spray, and it's just deluxe. I'd say this is a deluxe sample, and it has, let's see, 28 grams, 1.0 ounces, and it's great. I'll just put it away in my travel bag to take with me. Now, all these products you can buy at Walmart. A full size is 3.8 ounces for $6.12. So I'm happy with that. I'll just put it in my travel bag for when we go away. Another sample that I got is the Gentle Hydrating Shampoo CeraVe. Now, I like this brand. I use this brand facial wash, and I like it. Some people I saw got the shampoo and the conditioner. I just got the shampoo, and that's fine. It's anti-dandruff hydrating shampoo and conditioner. I don't have a problem with dandruff, but that's all right. I'll still use it in between using my special shampoos for my colored hair. Full size is 12 ounce, $9.97, and this is a fluid ounce. So that's fine, just a sample. All right, then the next thing I got is a mini sample of the NYX The Face Glue Gripping Primer, and probably I'd get 1 use out of that. I don't know, the Face Glue Gripping Primer. It's a primer, and obviously. And let's see, is that listed in here? Yes. Full size is 1.18 ounces for $8.97. I've seen this advertised. I'm not sure I would ever buy it. Just the name, face glue, doesn't really entice me. Glue. I'm not real big on putting glue on my face, but I guess it's a good name for a primer. But I think they could have come up with a better name than face glue. All right, then I got these. Now, this is a full-size product. I got the Sally Hansen Perfect Press-On Nails, and there's 30 nails in here, and I put them on. Now, I've been trying to get my nails to grow out, and they've really grown out about as much as they're going to. My nails, when they get to fingertip length, they break off. So I'm constantly filing them down, trying to keep them from breaking off and growing out just a little bit more. And to be honest, they've grown out about as much as they're going to. And I really liked these nails when I got them. Let me see, are they listed in here? Yes, Sally Hansen Salon Effects Perfect Press-On Nails. Full size, $7.48. And they come in 30 different designs. And it so happened, I really liked the design that I got. These are short. They are pink sparkly, okay? And I decided to put nails on again. So I put them on as soon as I got them. I really like them. And they're short, which is a good way to start back for me because haven't had nails on for over 2 months. And I think they're real pretty. There they are, and they are sparkly, but they're not terribly in your face, okay? So this is a full-size product that I got in my box, and it's $7.48, so that more than paid for my box. I like the color, I like the style, it more than paid for my box. Then I got a second full-size product. Now I'm going to tell you, I saw Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I'll put her link to her channel down below, and she got box, and it's a totally different version, so you need to watch hers. And so did Miss Jackie Russell, and I watched her video. She got a very different version than what I got. So you need to watch both of those because they got totally different boxes than from what I got, with totally different products, except they did get I'm pretty sure they both got the deodorant because that's a standard one that's in this box. But then I got another full-size product, and this is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Super Cloud Mascara. Shades may vary. And this is a full size for $12.99, 0.33 ounces. All right, so I got this one, and this is 0.33 fluid ounces, a full size for $12.99. Super boost your lashes with light as air length and lift, infused with vegan collagen and vitamin B5. The air whipped formula feels weightless for a lash lift effect in a swipe. All right, and what color did I get? Let me see. It says colors may vary. And I got brown, and brown is fine. I'm happy with brown. So, oh, right there on the back, it says in big letters, brown. So I got two full-size products, the nails and the CoverGirl, the Sally Hansen nails and the CoverGirl mascara. Plus I got a mini sample of the face glue, a mini sample of the CeraVe anti-dandruff shampoo, and the deodorant by Degree. So that is a super good box for $6.98 plus tax. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Congratulate the winners. Please don't name them. Just say congratulate to the winners because I want them to have a surprise. And if you liked my video, I sure would appreciate a like, thumbs up, and a comment down below. I hope to see you very soon, again, at NonnasHere. And by the way, Grumpy Grandpa is doing great. He's on solid food, a little bit of solid food day by day, and he's off his pain meds, so he's doing great. Thank you for all your good wishes and prayers. He certainly appreciates it, and he'll be back at NonnasHere very soon. Bye.